Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the functions len, mit, and find. And now let's understand briefly, and then we'll get into the example. The len function counts the number of characters, including spaces and numbers, in a piece of text. And the mit function, this function picks out a piece of text from the middle of a text. This function needs to know at what point it should start and how many characters to pick. That means middle of the text. Okay. If the number of characters to pick exceeds what is available, only the available characters will be picked. Okay. Find. This function looks for a specified letter inside another. It finds the text. Okay. When the letter is found, the position is shown as a number. So whether it's in first position, second position, third position, the number will be specified. If the text contains more than one reference to the letter, the first occurrence. For example, in Saravanan, if I put A, find A, it finds in second. So it will put 2. There are other A's it will ignore. Okay, so the first occurrence. An additional option can be used to start the search at a specific point in the text, thus enabling the search to find duplicate occurrences of the value. If the letter is not found in the text, the result will show as value. Okay, let's understand with an example. Here we have list of students, okay, and we need to pick the last name. So to find out how to pick only the last name, we'll go bit by bit. First, we'll find what is the length of the this text. So that is the formula for len equals to LEN. Len is short form for length. Okay, this formula, length of this particular text, and close the bracket. And this 10, including the spaces. Yeah, so it has got 10 letters. Now we need to find space so that we can pick from the next. So let's find open bracket and the find text. What we want to find, space. So with inverted comma, one space bar, and again, so it will find a space from where within this. And third option argument is optional, from where to start will can ignore, so it will start from the beginning. So I'll just close the bracket, enter. So when it's a 5, that means AMIT is 4, then space. So fifth place is a space. But seeing we want after space. So what we'll do, we'll add one more space, one additional. So we want to from sixth. So just this plus 1 to find out from where we need to pick the second name. So we know from sixth letter you pick the name. Now we know what is the second name length. So from this, the total length minus the last name. So I'll say equals to this length minus the space is there. So we know it will minus the first name and the space, it will remove from the total length. So that will be our second name length. We'll just copy this and so this row will find the total length of the text, where the space is here. It starts from 5 7 6 5, and we are adding 1 so that it starts from here. Okay, Now we'll find out the last name using the mid formula. So with the mid formula, so we'll take the middle value. So equals to mid open bracket. So first argument is the text from where we want to pick the data. So I'll select the data and the start number. Start number is this one because after space we added one. So our starting number will be this and the length is here. From here, whatever length, 5. So this will be our length. Yeah. So second name length, then close the bracket and enter. And we fill the formula. Here we got the second name. Now we can add all this formula into a single formula without using length, find, add individually in a single formula. Here we've used find the length, then find, and then add one, and the length. So here itself, we can put in single formula equals to mid, open the bracket, then where is the text, then find, within that, don't worry, I'll explain this in next video. I just want to show you that we can enter in same single formula. Okay, so we need to add one for the space and the length is length of a5 minus, again we find find open bracket space and a5. I made one mistake, sorry. Let me review this one. A5 comma find here, then 5 plus length minus find here. Just double click. Okay, so if see we have put in single formula, if I delete this also you have that intact. The single formula we have updated using the find length. Okay, I'll explain this how to write this complex formula in a easy way in my next video. Okay, so it will be very easy to write complex formulas in a easy manner. Okay, so that's all in today's video. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jaya.